Estongo Monty Randall, President of the College of Muskogee Nation. I got Justin Watts here from Mosca Builders, and he's going to give us an update on the exhibit hall, lecture hall.
Thank you, Dr. Randall. At this time, things are going very well despite the holiday season and the weather. We've got all our concrete foundations in for the entire building. Here in the next 2 weeks, you're going to start to see more developments on site. They start to form the actual slab of the building, so you'll start to see the footprint come out of the ground, and then the actual pad itself will be poured hopefully towards the end around Valentine's Day. All the utilities, the water, the plumbing, the mechanical work, that's all roughed into the slab, and so hopefully within about the next month, you will actually start to see the structure come out of the ground, and that's the really exciting time. We're looking forward to a great project. Everything's moving well at this time.
Thank you, Justin. We appreciate all your work and the work of Mosca, and we're looking forward to seeing this building. Thank you.
Absolutely. Thank you.